Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Ring the bell to get notifications and when I go live, which is at least every Tuesday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Sometimes I go live randomly during the week, and with the holidays, I'm totally kicking it up a little bit and doing lots of giveaways and messing with my bangs. And we're going to have a great day today. We are trying a brand new palette that I got from Ulta this week, and it is Too Faced Mariale, Amor, Caliente. Hot Love. It's the Hot Love palette. And Mariale is an influencer, and she collabed with Too Faced, and this is what I haven't even taken this out of the package. I'm so excited to try it today, and it's going to be a great look for the holidays or New Year's Eve. You know, lots of stuff this time of year. And it's gorgeous packaging. It's raised up, big puffy letters, and it is beautiful, and it is perfect for a holiday New Year's look. Or every day in my world. Every day's a holiday when you're Rhonda. What kind of holidays do I have? Ooh, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc., etc. And this is a 12-pan palette. So I'm going to be doing the swatches. There's a lot of neutrals. Like, you can't see that first color very well at all, but I'll show you my arm once we swatch everything in the first row. And this is the first four, five. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have the last one. And this is the last one of the first row, which is, look at that. It is shimmery and it's got a shift to it. It is gorgeous. And this is the beginning of the second row. And we've got 2 more colors to swatch. Some of these are definitely swatching better than the others. Whoa, look at that. It's very pretty, and this shimmer is beautiful, and the shifty color, it's shifty. Watch its eyes, it's shifty. It's beautiful, and this gives me an idea of what kind of look I want to make. Wipey, 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 wiping off the swatches from my little arm. Okay, it's not a little arm. I'm freaking 5'10". I'm not a little anything. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. And I am going to start with Frenchie right here in my crease. And that is a beautiful color. It's got some pigment to it. And that is something, I'm trying to pick up a little more to add to it. It doesn't blend very well. I'm so spoiled with the palettes that I do choose that when something doesn't work immediately the way I want it to, I'm instantly disappointed. It does not want to blend. This is not so easy to work with. I'm a little disappointed. Let's get going. Let's get a different brush. Ooh, this is a fancy Amor brush. And I think the next color I want to go into is Love Me for under the brow. It's a little dusty. And this is not the right kind of brush for that. There, we switch brushes and it's much easier now. And it looks more beige in the pan and much more pinky on the eye itself. But it'll still be gorgeous and lovely, and we'll work with it. And it blends a lot better than Frenchie did. That's for sure. Such pinky, pinky eyes. All the better to see you with, my dear. Let's go into... nope. Chica. We're going to go into Chica. This fluffy brush. Putting a little in the crease. I'm trying to blend that out a little bit. Ooh, this is going to be dramatic. We love dramatic eyes. Very pretty. All right, let's see. Now we're going to go into, I can't wait, this chili color here, which had the kind of shift to it. It's a red. Shimmer. Oh, it's very pretty. I'm blending that into Chica, which was on right before. Ooh, so pretty. That is looking awesome. Let's go a little bit darker with Hot and Spicy, and this is the most pigmented color in the palette. I've got hooded eyes, so I'm trying to make sure that... Ooh, this is pretty. Now we're gonna do some shimmers. I'm going to take, first I'm going to take Chancla, that's C-H-A-N-C-L-A right here, this gold shimmer. Oh yeah, that's exactly what it needed. Nice pop of gold. I'm blending it all across the eyelid. And then we'll do it on the other side as well. I probably should have used some glitter glue, but I'm a little crazy. I forgot that I even had glitter glue. There was really no fallout from, I got a little glitter on my eye. It'll be all right. But that makes it look really pretty. I'm going to get a blending brush and just soften this all up. I think I'm going to go under the brow bone with this donut color. I'm going to use my finger for that also. That really brightens up the eye a lot. It opens it up. Oh, and that makes it look so much better. And this is a really pretty look. Let's do some liner with the Stila Too Faced. I'm sorry, Stila Too Faced. The palette is Too Faced. The liner is Stila. And this would be a great look for any kind of holiday party or a date or New Year's Eve. Even Wolfie agrees. Oh wait, that's Jessie. Jessie, what you doing in here? No, it's Louie. I said every cat except for Ruby. Louie's a very quiet cat who usually doesn't say anything. And then we'll do the mascara with the Dark Star from... We'll do the Dark Star mascara from... What the hell's her name? It's on here. Pat McGrath. Oh my god. I've only used this mascara like 100 times. Oh, there's Ruby. But I have like a million tubes of mascara waiting to be used. So it'll be a while before I re-up on this one. But it's still going strong. Ooh, look at me. I look so pretty. I look so pretty. I love it. And for the lips, I'm going to go a little neutral with the lip. Because there's so much color up here. And you kind of, in like the old school rule of thought, is like you want to either have focus on the eyes, the cheeks, or the lips. And we're definitely going to go for eyes today. And we're going to use Gemini, which is a great color by Jeffree Star. And that is a box being dragged around by a cat. Some people have children crying in the background. I have cats meowing and dragging boxes across the world. I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you like this holiday look. Please comment and subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.